In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Steam profile private or public, and it's easier than you might think. The entire process should take no more than 5 minutes, and I'm here to guide you every step of the way. To kick things off, you'll need to open your Steam app. Now, Steam is a platform used by millions worldwide to enjoy gaming and connect with others, so how you present yourself on this platform can be important. Once you've opened the app, the next step is to click on the login option, which is usually prominently displayed at the top right corner. If you're not already signed in, it's time to enter your account name and password. Remember to keep this information private to maintain your account's security. Once you've entered your credentials, click on the sign in button to access your account. If for some reason you have trouble logging in, double check your login details. It's easy to make a typo, especially when you're in a hurry. Once signed in, you'll be taken to your Steam homepage. Here you'll find your username displayed, likely at the top or somewhere easy to see. Go ahead and click on your profile name. This action is one step closer to changing your profile settings. After clicking your profile name, look for the option labeled View My Profile. This is essentially your digital persona where you can share your gaming achievements, interact with friends, and express yourself in the gaming community. Now comes the step where you begin customizing your privacy settings. You'll want to click on Edit Profile. Typically this option is easy to find, and you'll know you're in the right place when you see a page loaded with all sorts of settings to personalize your Steam experience. Next, within the Edit Profile area, you'll see Privacy Settings. Click on this and you'll be taken to a page where you can decide how much information you want to be publicly available. Here, focus on the section that says My Profile. This is crucial. You can choose between making your profile either private or public. Selecting private means that only you and any friends you have accepted can view your profile. It's a great option for anyone prioritizing privacy and security. Conversely, selecting public will allow anyone on Steam to view your profile, which is perfect if you're looking to grow your network or showcase your gaming achievements to a wider audience. And there you have it. Within just a few minutes, you've successfully adjusted your Steam profile settings to suit your preferences. Remember, you can revisit these settings anytime if you change your mind. Thank you for joining me today, and happy gaming.